Welcome to this video. Today, we are going to show you step-by-step how to buy the Meme Coin Analos. First of all, we would like to say that buying Analos is at your own risk, and this video is just to show you how to buy it. So let's start with the video. In this case, we will show you how to buy Analos with Binance and Trust Wallet. You can find the links below in the description. However, you can also use another exchange such as Coinbase or another extension such as Phantom. But it's the same principle. First of all, you need Solana. To do this, we first convert existing cryptos to Solana. In this case, we have USDT which we convert to Solana. If you now have Solana, you can send it to your Trust Wallet. To do this, we go to our wallet. Now we click on Withdraw. Here we select Solana. Now we need the Solana address from our Trust Wallet. To get this, we open our Trust Wallet extension. You can write Solana in the search function above. In our case, it is already displayed here. Then click on Receive to see your receiving address and copy it. Now you can enter the receiving address here. Then select the amount you want to transfer to your Trust Wallet. In our example, we simply click on Max to transfer all the Solana we have. Now click on Withdraw. Click on Continue. Now you just need to complete all the security verification requirements you have set up to continue. In our case, we will simply skip this. Solana will now be sent from Binance to your Trust Wallet. Here you can also see the transaction fee. Here you can see the recent withdrawals. Please note that it can take a few minutes until your Solana is shown in your Trust Wallet. Now we have successfully sent Solana to our Trust Wallet and it is also displayed there. Next, open the website radium.io to buy Analos with your Solana and then click on Launch App. Now click on Connect Wallet. The website will now be connected to your Trust Wallet. Now we want to swap Solana for Analos. Now you have to be careful. If you only enter Analos here, you will be shown different tokens, and it may be that you select the wrong token. To be 100% on the safe side, copy the contract from coinmarketcap.com and then paste it in. Now you can be sure that you have selected the correct coin. Now select the amount you want to change and then click on Swap. Then confirm it on your Trust Wallet. That's it. Now it takes a while until the transaction is completed. Okay, now you have successfully bought Analos. Last but not least, we wanted to show you how to display Analos on your Trust Wallet. Here you can see that it is not displayed. To display it, go to coinmarketcap.com and copy the contract from Analos. Then open the Trust Wallet extension. Click on the search function above and enter the contract. Here you can now move the slider so that Analos is displayed on your wallet. And that's it. Now you can see how much Analos you have on your wallet. Our video is for information purposes only and do not constitute financial advice or similar. The purchase of Meme Coin Analos is at your own risk. We hope you enjoyed the video and understood how to buy Analos. If you want to know more about Analos or have further questions or video ideas, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time.